Hey guys, back out in McKinney. Been out here for a couple days and didn't record anything, so it's gonna be a little loud this morning, but let me show you what we got going on. So we got the city is out replacing those 2 water meters and that fire hydrant, so that's going on. I got John back there loading brick into the trailer so we can get that hauled off. All the trees, everything in the front yard's gone. I'll put there was those 2 big oak trees that were here in the front. I'll throw a picture up here in the video so you could see what was underneath one of those oak trees. I didn't even have my camera here when I took those out, but it was very interesting. So the house is all de-bricked and ready to be demoed, which is what we're going to start doing today. All those 2 big oak trees. I still got these trees. There's a couple trees in the back. They're pretty small, and then this fence line to take out. But we're going to do that last so it doesn't. The neighbor has a dog over there, so we're trying to hold off as long as we can on that. The big building that was here is gone. The shed is obviously gone over there. There were 2 big old trees that had fallen over here. Got those all cleaned up, stumps ground down. That gigantic tree that was here between the houses is gone. Basically, everything's gone except for this old house. So that's what we're doing today. I'm gonna get you guys set up and we're gonna start chomping into a house. So y'all stick around. Oh, I gotta remember, don't fall in the hole. Yeah, that would not be a good day. All right, y'all stick around. Alright guys, I was a terrible YouTuber today. You saw me demoing some of the house, then I ended up, the dumpsters didn't get swapped out like they were supposed to, so we got that much of the house, basically with the garage and I don't know, whatever the other room. 2 full dumpsters waiting to be spun. Should be 3 more on the ground in the first thing in the morning, so we'll get back at that. But in the meantime, I went ahead and took out this fence all the way through there and all those trees, which are now right here. So we'll be spending a little bit of time tomorrow cutting up those trees. Let me get the battery shut off on the skid steer, get it locked up. Tomorrow, yeah, so tomorrow we'll be working on the rest of these trees, getting them out of here, and getting the house demoed if the dumpsters show up. So that's going to do it for today. Peace.